Dutch knife collector here. I was browsing YouTube and I found that there are just very few reviews of the Real Steel T101 Thor in English. There are a couple of reviews, but they are all in German. So I thought I'd do a short review on the Real Steel T101 Thor in English. This model came out autumn 2015, so about 4 months ago, and it's a very nice EDC folding knife. It comes in 2 color combinations, one with the black G10 handle scales and like this one with the coyote brown handle scales. The blade has a stone wash. Real Steel puts a very fine grained stone wash on its blades, so scratching up, the use, etc. are not shown very easily on these blades. The T101, the Thor, is a Lianggang design. Lianggang is a well-known Chinese designer which works for a couple of knife companies like San Renew, Real Steel, but also some higher end designs, for example in cooperation with Reality. Real Steel as brand is founded in 2013, but then they started to come out with their own brand Real Steel. For that time they already have about 15-20 years experience producing knives for other companies. Real Steel makes very affordable knives. All their knives have an excellent fit and finish, comparable with knives in the double price range as the prices they come on the market. They use excellent materials and they make very sturdy knives. The Thor T101 comes on bearings and is a very smooth knife. It's actually free dropper. It closes under its own weight. It's a big knife. For example, compared to the Code 4 from Cold Steel, it's about the same size as the Code 4. The blade is about 3.75 inches or 9.5 centimeter. Total length is about 8.35 inches or 21.2 centimeters, I think. It's not a light knife. It's about 140-150 grams or about 5.1 ounce. It's a strong knife. It has a very thick steel liners, very nice lockup, very decent, no blade play. It's a fairly thick stock, thick G10 slabs. It's a very strong knife. It's operated with the flipper tab or with thumb studs. You also can spider flick it. Very easy, light switching, push button, etc. The steel is a 14 Sandvik 40C28N Sandvik steel, and it's a very decent steel. Which will hold its edge very fair, very decent. Fit and finish on this knife is incredible. Probably you see some scarfings, markings, etc., but this is a user. I have it in use for about 4 months now. Centering is very well. Lockup hasn't been shifted yet. The handle is grippy enough. Combined with the finger choil, it has a very good grip, very safe grip. You could choke up. There is some jimping and it works. Jimping on the backspacer, the G10 backspacer works. It's very comfortable in hands in all kinds of grips. The 14C28 Sandvik steel takes an edge very well. Gets really sharp. I think it's comparable with VG10 in taking an edge. Although it will lose its sharpness. Quicker than VG10, but a few strops and it's sharp again. So it's a very decent steel for EDC use. The knife is very well balanced, as you can see. And it doesn't feel that heavy. It's not very thick, so it carries very well in the pocket. The pocket clip is very functional. Well, what else to say about this knife? At this moment, February 2nd, this knife sells in the US for about $41 at Knife Center. In Holland it sells for about 50 to 50 euro at Messenzo. And for example in Germany it sells for about 59 euro, for example at Messerbude, an eBay shop from the in Germany well known Dirk Wanger. Messenzo in Holland is well known in Holland at Knife Enthusiasts, and of course, Knife Center is well known in the US. Competition for this knife is, for example, from Real Steel, an older model, the H6, the H6 Blue Sheep. The H6 Blue Sheep is a model from about 2.5 years ago. It comes in very numerous configurations. This is an example with camo handle, G10 handle, and a black finished, black coated blade. But there are also combinations with all kinds of colors and a satin finish and stonewash finish, hollow ground. This is a very nice hard to use knife, and at this moment I think it sells for about €45, maybe $35. This is running on washers. Real Steel itself as brand is very popular in Germany at this moment. In Holland it gains popularity. In the US I don't know for real, but on the forums I see some more messaging about Real Steel. Real Steel deserves this place in the affordable EDC market. Very high value knives for the money. Great fit and finish. Nice materials and low pricing. Any questions? Any comments? Please comment. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and if you like my videos in general, please subscribe.